Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, letting go of any tension or stress. Today, we will set the intention to embrace the beauty of the present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat silently or aloud, "I expect a beautiful day today." Visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, glowing light. This light represents the endless possibilities and joy that today holds. Feel its warmth envelop you, filling you with a sense of peace and anticipation. Imagine waking up and feeling excited for the unique experiences that await you. Picture the day unfolding with beautiful, unforgettable moments. See yourself encountering happy coincidences and moments of pure joy. Remind yourself, "I look forward to experiencing this one-of-a-kind day." Feel the excitement and gratitude building within you. Know that every moment today, whether ordinary or extraordinary, is a gift. Take another deep breath in and out. Reflect on the idea that today could be the last day of your life. Let this thought bring a sense of urgency to live fully and gratefully. Affirm to yourself, I want to savor every second, live it fully, and feel gratitude in every ordinary and extraordinary moment. Let this intention guide you throughout the day, opening your heart to the beauty of the present. Feel your mind tuning into gratitude, ready to embrace this beautiful day that lies ahead. Imagine yourself moving through the day with a sense of wonder and appreciation for every experience. Take a final deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of gratitude and anticipation with you into the day.